This is ANN News Brief.
The death toll from a shipwreck carrying African migrants has risen to 46. The ship sank off the Tunisian coast this week. A senior civil protection official said on Thursday such operation is still being carried out. Tunisian Coast Guard recovered more bodies. On Tuesday, 20 bodies were found off the coast of Sfax after a boat carrying migrants on the Mediterranean Sea capsized after near the city. A total of 53 persons had set out on the boat at the weekend aiming to reach Italy. The nationalities of those who were trying to cross to Italy have not been officially released, but state news agency TAP suggested that a large number may have been from Ivory Coast. At least half of those who drowned were women. A court order has also been issued to investigate who organized the ill-fated crossing. Zimbabwe's National Security Council has dismissed reports of an impending coup and said the country is stable. The country's National Security Council, NSC, accused allies of the late former leader Robert Mugabe and some opposition leaders of peddling rumors of an impending military coup. The NSC said speculation was intensifying that Mugabe allies living in exile were plotting a comeback with the help of elements in the military and the opposition. Home Affairs Minister also accused several groups of anti-government activism, including foreign diplomats. Zimbabwe's worst economic crisis in more than a decade and rising public anger have stoked concern. The military, which ended Mugabe's more than 3 decades rule in November 2017, might step in again. The Home Affairs Minister in charge of the police, Kazembe, said there is no coup in the making. We'll be right back. Kenya says it will start home care treatment for COVID-19 patients because of increasing number of coronavirus cases. Kenya's Ministry of Health has rolled out home-based care protocols for COVID-19 patients who may not all be isolated in public health facilities. Authorities say only asymptomatic patients and those that can demonstrate they can dedicate a well-ventilated room with limited number of caregivers are eligible for the program. To meet the goal, community policy coordinators will now be tasked with monitoring complaints for the home-based care program. Kenya recorded more than 100 new cases of coronavirus, bringing the total in the number to 3,215, including 92 deaths. The country has recorded the highest number of COVID-19 recoveries after 175 patients were allowed to leave hospitals after recovering fully from the virus. That is ANN News Brief at 11. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.